Hi guys, so happy New Year's and welcome to a new weekly stream. I had the honor to open this stream for the new year and I made a big New Year's resolution for me. This is massive, wait for it. I'm not gonna do a top-down analysis anymore because shit gets lost, okay? And then I have multiple charts that are not laid out properly, so I hope you guys understand. Okay, let's dive into what's happening. I will start from the weekly because the yearly really makes no sense at all to watch. Even the monthly is like makes no sense to me at the moment. Okay, so the weekly close was a dud. 2 weeks dead PA because of the New Year's and markets closed and everything. So let's go down to the daily. Now the daily is becoming interesting, guys. Okay, I'm gonna put some EMAs here and I'm gonna take the VPVR. Okay, so let's skip the VPVR at the moment. Okay, so we see a big correlation. This is kind of went down, started up, and went down. Now let's take the fibs of this move. So this is the last move up, okay? So we're gonna take these fib draws, and what do we get? Okay, we get like a 1-2, okay, or a 1-2. So this somewhere in here the first wave happened, and this was kind of the third wave. So you see this line here, and then when we count this wave, we get the pullback down to the 618. Okay, so we could even call this possibly an A, B, C, or this could be an A and a B forming. But let's leave elliott waves now. Let's just focus on the structure and the price action. So, and the fibs that are really important. And we're gonna go into momentum later. So, first thing is we get two bounces from key support level, okay? And we see now a small tight range happening here. So this is like a range I'm seeing, okay? Between 16.3 and 16.9. We talked about this range in the chat on the Discord. So now today's candle is bouncing up and real decently. We have this 21 EMA, okay, still downsloping, but we can even push up to 16.9, hopefully make a higher low, break, and then go for 17.2. Okay, we see the 55 EMA was tested once, and the second time it rejects most of the time. So I would expect movement somewhere in this area, and then have a eventual third test of the 55, which would come down even more. And when that flips to support at some areas here, we will get probably a test of this higher range levels. Okay, now what play can we take? Well, let's go down to the 4-hour. Okay, so momentum in the 4-hour is stopped. Okay, it can stay topped, but let's look at the RSI. It's also topped, and we're getting a pivot. Okay, so this was slow price action, but we're getting a cross. So there's a possible extension up to 16.9 pending, which would face a rejection once. And then if we get a higher low in, okay, if we get a higher low in, we can take a trade up. We even have one altcoin trade forming a higher low as we speak, and we have bids placed since this morning. Okay, so all in all, that's the bull side, and I'm leaning more bullish, guys, honestly, because yeah, support was defended, higher lows in, we're getting even slight where's my curve? Okay, we could even say like, okay, so as long as this curve holds, even if it wicks under to 16.5, then the EMAs hold, we could slowly grind up. I would love it ideally to test, reject. So this is kind of a projection, okay? This is like a wave. And let's say we get a wave up to here. And then the next high low would be somewhere correlating with the fibs and the EMA support. And if we get that play, that would be a long signal, okay? And I would be possibly even expecting a break of the 200s for the bull side. Now, if the higher low doesn't hold and we get a lower high after that, then we're gonna go lower, test again this area, and if that fails for the third time, then we're dying out. Okay, so let's see how it plays out during the week. Hope you guys had a great New Year's Eve, and let's chat up. So thanks for joining, like, subscribe, and if you made a New Year's resolution like I did, please leave a comment in the comment section and boost your New Year's resolution. Have a happy year, guys. Bye.